My name is Dievoet, and I joined Clinical as a non-executive director last year, as I was intrigued by the idea of delivering a cure for vitiligo without disturbing the immune system of the patient. The implant application also caught my attention, as rumors spread that the likes of Novo were investigating it in their trials. My background is in corporate structuring and M&A, looking at the fundamentals and potential of businesses in identifying avenues for creating value in the long term. Much of this has focused on listed companies in Europe with over 30 years of experience. Part of managing firms with this lens is to consider trends and where one is running counter to such trends. There can be value in the unusual, but it may require a level of discomfort. The parallel to Clinical comes from the class of peptides we develop, melanocortins. The pharmaceutical industry is looking away from melanocortins, but the opportunities that Clinical are progressing are large, while the focus on neglected diseases that the rest of the industry didn't want to treat provides differentiation. The fundamentals and potential are clear. We're outperforming peers to build assets to fund the expansion of our technology to new products and new indications. We have a strong financial position, but this shouldn't lead to complacency. Rather, it's the result of a focused strategy that must continue. Perhaps what is useful to consider alternative scenarios for the business. If one just had the assets, the melanocortin, without the finances, the strategy and the management, you would see a very different company. I dare to say one that would not survive in a buoyant climate, let alone the current one. In other words, technology is not enough, and this has relativity to M&A. We have expressed an intention to pursue M&A opportunities, an area where I can lend experience and depth of knowledge. The risks of M&A are many, potentially material, and the wrong approach can destroy value profoundly. Clinival's board of directors are meticulous together with the management in the assessment of acquisition opportunities and in their efforts to solidify the shareholders' base in the light of the ongoing FDA procedures. I consider the upside potential of the right acquisition to be significant and to enable Clinival to implement its strategy without being dependent on third parties. This is what actively engages me amongst the other duties of a non-executive director. I thank you for your attention and hope to be in touch with you very soon.